like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily incoming inventory. We do videos on a daily basis of all the new cars we have coming in. All makes, all models, 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. Right now you're looking at a 2020 BMW M850xi. This is a freshwater flood damage vehicle. As you can see, the engine compartment is clean. No rust, no corrosion. Which is a good indication that this is fresh water. Nice white color. So this does have some condensation in the headlights, which will tell me that the water line was going to be at least headlight level, pretty deep. We haven't made any attempts to start the vehicle yet. Body's clean, no dents, no damage to the body. Got the carbon fiber rear diffuser, carbon fiber roof. Body's in really good shape. Let's take a look at the interior. Really nice red color interior, two-tone. See the pocket here has some mud on it. Pedals aren't corroded. Yeah, so this water level, I'm gonna say, was at least to the seat bottoms here. So it took a good amount of water. So this is gonna require us pulling the whole interior on it to attempt to get it running. We'll have to clean all the contacts, see what modules it needs, and evaluate whether it's worth the investment or not. This one seems like it was pretty deep, so we'll probably just try to get it running and sell it as it is. It's going to require a lot of work. But for someone that's looking for a project car and has the time and access to parts, it would be a good investment. The value of this vehicle is probably close to $90,000. We'll probably sell it for 30% of value. So there's a lot of room on it to get the vehicle ready. Be a good project car for somebody. Thanks for watching.